How can I check the status of a question number in the Open.EFSA portal? We have received many questions about how to navigate the Open.EFSA portal in order to find out the status of a specific question number. Today I will show how to do it in a very quick and easy way. First of all, you will need to go to the Open.EFSA portal by typing this URL in your browser, open.efsa.europa.eu. You should then head to the home page of the portal, where you will find all information related to EFSA's scientific work. Click on the button Explore Ongoing Work. This action will redirect you to the Questions section of the portal, where you will find all the question numbers ordered from the latest to the oldest updated. By using the search bar, you can perform your search by question number, substance name, or use other keywords. To refine your search, you can filter by a specific food domain by clicking on the arrow to expand to a full list of filters available. Once having entered the search criterion of your choice, the corresponding item will be displayed. By clicking on it, you will be able to access all the available information, including the status and the date of the latest update. Finally, since Open.EFSA is an open portal, in order to navigate it, you won't need to log in. On the other hand, if you would like to download any document, login credentials will be needed. We hope this video will help you to navigate better and search for your questions in the Open.EFSA portal more easily. See you soon for the next video.